push it online for the first day. And I looked in the mirror as I was brushing my teeth, and I actually started crying tears of joy. Like I started crying in the mirror. Real tears, yeah. Before, like if an offensive lineman was like drafted in the NFL when he started crying, I never understood that shit, but I totally understand the whole dynamic now. And look, I didn't even know, I appreciate that. I didn't even know if anybody was gonna care, if anybody was gonna watch or share it or anything. I had no clue. I was just so happy that I made my best effort to do something other than work behind a desk for the rest of my life. I was just so, I knew that I had given it my best shot, and if it didn't work out, it wasn't my fault. It was, well, I guess it would have been my fault, but it just wasn't meant to be, okay? The story is not over. And by the way, 2 years later, where the fuck am I? I'm at Nashville selling out shows. Who the fuck are you? Why aren't we spending more time together? Seems like every time we get together, we have a great time. The story's not over. So I woke up on that morning, put this little video online.